Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the X button on your PS5 controller. First, gather a tiny Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a can of compressed air. These essential tools will ensure a smooth process for opening your controller without causing damage. Having everything ready beforehand makes the repair much easier and more efficient, saving you valuable time. Begin by removing the 5 small screws found on the back casing of your controller using your tiny Phillips head screwdriver. Next, gently insert your plastic prying tool into the seam, working your way around the edges to separate the two halves. Remember to proceed slowly and with care, as ribbon cables connect the sections, requiring a 90-degree angle to disconnect. Once the main board is visible, carefully locate the flexible circuit board beneath the X button and the rubber contact pad. Often, the issue is a buildup of debris or a slight misalignment, preventing proper contact. Gently lift the rubber pad and clean the contact points using a cotton swab with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. This ensures a proper electrical connection, restoring the button's responsiveness for reliable gaming. Now it is time to reassemble your controller. Carefully reattach the ribbon cables, ensuring they are properly seated and secure in their connectors. Align the front and back shells of the controller precisely, gently pressing them together until you hear them click into place. Finally, replace all 5 screws on the back, tightening them until snug but not over tight, to avoid stripping the plastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.